CS, I am committing that should this examination leak from Ngao and security perspective out of action that I've done, please sack me. If you don't sack us, we will also ask you to make a commitment to the president that he sacks you for not sacking us.
Ino niyo yuma ndumiriri ya mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi Karanja Kibisho egi uria mehotorete gukagacirithia ugitiri na kinyi hindi ya igeranio cia KCPE na KCSE iria itigaritie o ciumia igiri tu. Hindi ya kigomano giki minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr. Fred Matiang'i agiteterithia ati mwaka uyu ugukorwo na ngurani niguo gutigirira gutiri mundu kugonderera wira-ini wake, guku akiuga gutiri abitha wothe uguthie kuhuruka hindi ya igeranio kuona mitaratara iria yarirwo ni mirumu niguo kugacirithia ihinda ria igeranio.
If there are areas in the country where we suspect we'll have challenges, whether it is because of the weather or whatever the case may be, we are already prepared and totally aligned to sort it out. No deputy county commissioner is going to be allowed to lose their key. There will be no key lost.
Minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha niwe oneanire cabici na makuburi kuri anini ya county commissioner hamwe na arugamiriri ya githomo wa sub county kuri arutire mukana mururu kuri mundu wothe ukageria kuhuthira waro wothe niguo guthararia mihango ya igeranio, akiuga muoroto wao ni gutigirira ciiko cia uici ni cia huka kaimana.
There is no exam that will be seen except on the morning that exam is supposed to be seen. And we know all the tricks that they have been employing. So our surveillance will go to up to 2 kilometers away from the school.
Honge iria ciothe inyitaga itemi mathomo-ini makeranira ati ni mekurutithania wira hamwe niguo gutigirira hatiri undu ugutuba. Ona mwaka uyu arutani anene ya mathukuru makigia na uigiririki na mabati gukorwo haria igeranio iri thaa 11 cia rucini. Mwaka uyu container cia kuiga igeranio ni ciongereirwo kuma 459 nginya 479 na kuri aria mareka KCPE tariki 29 ni muthi wa rihaso, kigeranio kiambiririe tariki 30 o mweri uyu nginya tariki 1 mweri ukite wa 11. Nao tariki 1 mweri wa 11 gugakorwo na rihaso cia KCSE na kio kigeranio kiao kiambiririe tariki 4 mweri ucio wa 11 na matirihe tariki 27 mweri ucio.
The program of dispatch of examination materials is ready. The examination materials be dispatched twice weekly for the first 2 weeks of 2019.
Riu hatiri undu tanganja ati mitaratara yothe ya gutabarira igeranio cia mwaka uyu ni miarire guku mikana ikirutwo kuri aria othe makageria kunyita itemi guthararia mibango ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.